Right, Cyclones, in you come. It's 6:30, time to get started with tonight's session. Quick. Time to get started with tonight's session. Hey, welcome Cyclones. Not our usual surroundings tonight. Probably should have had that helmet on.
Yeah, good start.
Good start.
Don't think I noticed.
So, due to the unforeseen circumstances with everything that's going on just now, Cyclones has had to be cancelled for a while. So while this is going on, we thought we would come up with some videos to send you to keep you going, so you know that we haven't forgotten about you, and us coaches are working behind the scenes to keep things rolling, to keep you rolling, keep you on your bikes while we're having to isolate and social distance from each other. So our first video this week is going to be the bike check, just to get you all doing that. So when we go back after all of this, the bike check will take 2 minutes, bang done, and we'll be starting with the session. So
Firstly, go and grab your bike and we'll do it all together.
we say grab your bike, this is definitely not my race bike. And Kevin's bike would definitely be cleaner than that.
So we'll start at the front wheel. So the first thing we'll look at is tyre pressure. So make sure you've got your tyres pumped up, make sure they're okay, nice and hard. So we'll do that, bro, ideal. Then we'll check the spokes. So we'll go through the wheel both sides, remember.
Clearing the heart round your spokes.
All good?
All good.
Ideal.
So far so good.
Yeah, no mistakes, spot on. And then we'll check the hub, so just try and push your tyre side to side, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I forgot to do quick release. I forgot to do quick release here.
See what happens when you aren't here keeping us right.
So quick release. So just make sure that's nice and tight. If you don't have quick release again, just pick your tyre up and get it done. Where do we go next?
We're then moving up to our handlebars. So we'll go to our front brake first. So just give it a pull, push the bike forward, make sure the back wheel comes up. Obviously not too much, especially with Kevin's bike, otherwise he'll batter me once we've done this. So once you've done that, you're then going to check your headset. So round to the front of your bikes. Give it a little wiggle, make sure that it's not moving.
All good. Steering.
We're then going to check
Steering. So again, yep, so just put your tyre between your knees and then give it a wee push side to side. Make sure the stem doesn't go anywhere. After that, then we're going to go down to the chain set and pedals. So we'll give them a spin, everybody likes to do that, so that's ideal. And then we'll check it doesn't go side to side, so that's fine, that's not got any side to side movement. And then check each pedal doesn't go side to side either. I think this is my favourite bit, I like checking the pedals. They spin really well. So now up to the seat. So check that the seat doesn't go move side to side or up or down. That's ideal. Spot on. And then lastly we'll do the rear wheel. So again, check the tyre pressure. That feels good.
back brake.
And then play the heart with your spokes. Side to side movement in the hub again, check that doesn't move side to side, that's good. And then lastly, check your quick release.
Well remembered this
Thank
time.
you. So that's nice and tight. And again, if you don't have it, that's not coming out. So that's the bike check done, ready to roll for next time.
And after that we then have the helmet check.
Oh yep, so we do. Oh dear me. So yep, I'm just gonna check my helmet. There's no cracks in it, that's good. There's no bumps in the top either. I'll put it on. I'll stick my hands out just in case. Look on my head. Spot on. So far so good. And then my helmet is okay.
no more than 2 fingers under your chin strap. Make sure it doesn't come up over your chin. If it does, tighten it a little bit. If it needs tightened at the back, do that, make sure it's secure. Any loose clothing, make sure that is tucked in. And that's us ready to rock and roll. That was obviously longer than 2 minutes.
More because we're not very good at this yet.
Obviously it's you lot that keep us right and not us coaching you. So work on that for a while. And also what we would like is any ideas or suggestions for what you would like us
to do. Yeah, this things will get better probably. But yeah, any ideas you do have, then give us a shout and we'll try and keep the door down next time.